Welcome back, boys and girls! We will learn about a new digraph. Are you ready to join me and learn together? Let's get started! As you know, a digraph is two letters, and together they make one sound. When the letters S and H come together, they make the sound sh, like shh. Now let's practice reading some words with the sh digraph. The first word is sh, I, p. Let's try again. Sh, I, p. Ship. Great job! A ship is a big boat that can travel across oceans. Next we have fl, a, sh. Can you say it with me? Fl, a, sh. Flash! Good work! My phone flashes when I take a picture. The next word is f, I, sh. Let's say it together. F, I, sh. Fish! Well done! I love to see the fish swimming. Our next word is k, a, sh. Let's sound it out again. K, a, sh. Excellent! Cash. Cash is paper money. Our next word is sp, l, a, sh. Let's try again. Sp, l, a, sh. Splash! After jumping into the pool, I made a big splash. Now let's try h, a, sh. Again. H, a, sh. Hush! Very good! When the teacher put her finger to her lips and said, "Hush," the students quieted down and listened. Finally, we have d, I, sh. Can you say it with me? D, I, sh. Dish! Fantastic! My mom made a delicious dish for dinner last night. Good job on learning words with the sh sound. Practice more to become a better reader. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see all our videos. Thanks for today. See you in the next lesson.